Hey, so it's been a long time. I have been meaning to make a video to share. There were these a few, back to back counselings and certain clients' friends where I was speaking about friendships and where I was speaking about how they should handle relationships gone sour and the hurt which remains when you feel like a relationship's not working out anymore. Where they feel like they didn't get their worth from a friend they've really applied themselves to, really loved, really cherished. And it was a very heartbreaking episode in one particular case that I'm discussing, where it was like a bleeding heart left behind, where one felt like, I still miss him so much and I just don't know what to do. I did everything I knew in my power as a friend, and I didn't get my worth, and I am feeling totally betrayed. I feel like I was lashed out at without any rhyme or reason. So, this particular case, then a couple of others, then a couple of teenagers' discussions about friendships. May I just got certain, I wanted to share these few points with you all. That what happens is sometimes some people's part in our life gets over after a certain lesson has been taught. All right. So, suppose I enter your life to teach you, say, fun or understanding or anger issues. I rile you, I become your trigger, and I know I'm making you angry over and over about the same couple of issues. And then because you are also on a path and you are, interested in trying to figure out why this is happening, and you're not trying to pass off everything in your life as a coincidence, which is not a bad thing. I'm just saying, once we move on beyond thinking that it's a coincidence and try to figure out the role every person plays, whoever appears in our life, and that you finish learning that lesson from me. And as my triggers suddenly don't affect you. So what happens is, the way God has planned it, the way the Creator has created all of us and our relationships, is that people come along, their support, sometimes it's for love, sometimes it's for anger, sometimes it's, but there is a lesson behind everyone we meet, all right? So when the lesson is learnt and we move on, it is something to be celebrated. It is something to be understood that if this was the, small chapter of my life was dedicated to this person or this human being who would interact with me, and I would learn this and then they would move on, then once that time is over, automatically these people withdraw from our life. To get ourselves drowning in guilt, or to be feeling resentful, or to be feeling misused, or to be thinking this is what happens to me all the time, and make it a pattern of generally becoming embittered in life, is not what the Creator wishes when somebody comes along, teaches us something, and then departs. So how about we try to see every chapter of our life, if we take people and incidents and events which come to us, to understand what must be the underlying reason, what was the emotion underlying this whole experience. Did I learn it? Because what will happen is, suppose the person is only there for, in the language of universe, say for, you met someone for a couple of years and then they leave your life. Till you've learned the lesson, the next person who you think you have attracted in your life will also be trying to teach you the same lesson, because the lesson has to be learned. Try to understand that what's important is the lesson. It's not the person, whether it's a woman or a man, whatever age, whatever occupation, that's immaterial. They will come along for the lesson. So try to understand what lesson you are supposed to learn, and once you're done learning that lesson, that event will never happen again. That sense of, like, I had this overriding story of backstabbing, and no matter what I do, till a certain age, till a beautiful book came along, till a beautiful workshop came along, why I have repeated it over and over, that try to find time for yourself, try to find some energy for yourself. Energy where you think, yes, I can find these 4-5 days to attend a class. Yes, I will put aside money for this. Yes, I am important enough to grow. I will not just get caught up with the standard definition of life, a routine, and what's important. All right? So just think about that, and I shall see you soon. Bye bye. Have a great day.